Hi, I'm Terry from Mr. Locksmith. You know, I love the Knipex tools. I'm slowly switching a lot of my existing pliers and whatnot over to Knipex. I have a set of these already, but I paid full board. These were on sale. So if you check around, just look online. Be careful where you're going to buy online. But I'm finding the big box stores have been, and some of the specialty tool places around Christmas and spring, they seem to have some pretty good deals on the sets, the 2-set and the 3-sets. So I absolutely love these. They were on sale. I don't need them, but they're on sale and I like them because I have these in my toolkit. Use them every day. Love them. Keep an eye on for the sales. Don't pay full price. Hope you have a good day. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.